Hey, Brian here. I wanted to do a quick little intro video to kick things off. Totally new to this, and I've never done this before, so I'll probably cringe when I look back in the future, but that's okay. This is going to be totally unscripted, unedited, just quick little updates as I go. For anyone that hasn't run into me before, I recently quit my dream job at Amazon. As you can see, I'm wearing an Amazon shirt. I worked there for 4 years, so I accumulated quite a few, but this is something that I've wanted to do since I was a little kid. I quit in order to start a SaaS company, software as a service, and I'll be working on my project in public. I'm going to be sharing my updates as I go, and I just kind of wanted to put myself out there. Why not? There's a lot of things that I have learned in the past and that I will learn as I go, and I wanted to share those for anyone that might find them useful. I have a year of runway based off of what I was able to save while I was at Amazon. I have no customers yet, so the clock is ticking. Odds are kind of stacked against me in that way, but it's something that I've always wanted to do, and I'm going to make a run at it. There's more on my blog. I'll post a link to that about why I'm doing this and what I'm going to be doing. So now I'm going to share a little quick update about where I'm at. So the app that I'm working on is Invoicing for Freelancers. The tagline is Simple Invoicing for Freelancers. The reason I'm working on that is I spent many years as a freelancer working on stuff in addition to my day job. And while I loved getting paid, the extra money was nice. I hated doing invoices at the end of the month. And there were and are other apps that do this. That's kind of the point, actually, is I don't want to go into or I don't want to create something that's brand new, that is innovative, that I have to teach people about. I just want to go into an existing market where I can carve out a niche and own that niche and expand it and eventually dominate it and expand more if I want to. So this is where I chose to work because I know something about the space and I'm interested in helping freelancers. I really enjoy that line of work. I love the independence that comes with that, and I want to help other people do the same. Get in and out, get paid online, get paid quickly, all that. So far, this is what I've built. I'll give you a quick little tour so you can kind of see where I started, and as I progress and build it, you'll be able to see the progress. So I've got a quick little marketing site set up. It's not live yet. This is just my local host, but pretty simple template. I got this template, by the way, in case you're interested, from Tailwind, which I highly recommend. So Tailwind UI is kind of an add-on to Tailwind CSS. Tailwind CSS is free for everyone. It's a CSS framework, but Tailwind UI is a set of components. It's about $250, I believe. Totally worth it. Totally worth it. Because what happens is they give you, using Tailwind CSS, all these kind of pre-made components that you can just drop in. They give you all the HTML and all the CSS that you need. And you could build these by hand. That's what I was doing before, but then I kind of decided it wasn't worth the time. And so I invested that little bit of money in it, and it has been totally worth it. So you can take all their examples, for example, their landing pages, and they give you all the CSS and HTML that you need. You just drop it in, customize it, cut it up to your own needs, and add your own logic with Rails or Node or whatever, and you're off to the races. So that's what I've done. Built a marketing page here. We've got a features page, pricing page, all the typical type of stuff. This is built in Rails, and it'll be running on Heroku. And to start off, I've got authentication and authorization in place. You can sign in. And so like you'll see here, here's the app shell as well. I've got this all set up, so it's kind of scaffolded out right now. You can ignore this page right here. It's just a placeholder to make sure that I like the design. But I've got all the other pages kind of stubbed out so I can start adding things to it, including some profile pages and settings pages and the ability to log in and out and all that sort of stuff. Right now, today, I'm working on profile pages and settings pages. The reason I'm starting with this is because it's pretty low risk. I don't have to think a whole lot about what the UX should be like or look like. It's just a bunch of forms. So that'll help me get used to Rails and the way that things work there. It's been a little while since I've worked in Rails. I'm adding the ability to upload a new photo, to change your password, change your email, all that sort of stuff. So that's it for now. This is where I'm starting. It's about 3 days worth of work. Not a whole lot. I just basically started this week. So hope you enjoyed the quick little update. I'll be posting more. They'll be a lot shorter than this one. This was just kind of an intro one to kick us off. And hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Thanks.